cute. The photo cards are really cute.
The photo cards for this album are so good. I'm so happy.
It's nice quality.
They're really nice.
Who is your bias and how did you become a fan of that person?
My bias is Mark because of his rap and Jopping just kind of made me freak out when I saw it.
My bias is Taeyong because I was originally a fan of NCT and just his dancing and his rapping skills really attracted me to him, so
And my bias is Baekhyun because in EXO I just fell in love with Baekhyun's amazing vocals. Like in El Dorado, I can't. It's so good.
When we look at the album, we're gonna have like a little mission. So the mission is if you pull your biases photo card in the group album, then you gotta keep the album and you gotta make a 30-second promo video of your biases album on our YouTube or on our Instagram. So.
If I even get to pull Taeyong, I'm gonna be excited because I never pull him.
I don't think I've ever pulled a Baekhyun either.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
I pulled Taeyong though. But I
wish.
traded it during
Yeah. I need this. I'm broke, so.
Me too.
Okay, so let's get into it.
Yay.
Okay, I'm kind of nervous.
This is the sliding.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, is that nothing?
No.
There's a face. I couldn't see it either.
Oh my god.
They incorporated like a lot of black and white.
Taemin! Oh my god, wait. He looks so good. I've seen that picture before, but it hits different
No,
when
I
you
know,
see it in real life.
right? Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
His jawline.
I know.
They really just...
Don't joke. This is gonna hit me hard.
Oh my gosh. They're all such visuals. There's no like set visuals.
There's really
for
no
this
visual
group.
goals.
No,
No one's
all
a-
of them are.
That's everyone.
I
Stood out a
love
lot.
the red. I love it
Yes,
so
red.
much. It's so
Oh
cool.
my gosh. In the concert, they also had like during some of the dance breaks, they turned the stage red. It was really cool.
That's nice.
Mark!
That's like my
Mark
biggest
really
bias
pulled
record.
through.
Oh my god. He's so, like, oh my god. Okay.
Mark is so talented, it's crazy.
I love
Like
Mark.
all of his verses in the album were insane.
Yeah.
He's
like
so
actually,
good.
It's iconic.
right?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I'm telling you,
I like
these
this one.
pictures are powerful.
I'm literally gonna like hyperventilate. Oh my god, wait, that picture is too much.
That's just too much.
Lucas. I walked into SuperM debut week a Taeyong stan, but I walked
Lucas?
out double biased for Lucas.
His skin.
Glowing.
He has nice skin.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh. They're so good.
His visuals are so strong.
Gosh. I swear, everyone loves Lucas.
Yeah. Even if Lucas isn't your bias, he's your bias.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Oh, it looks good.
It looks
It
good.
looks really
It looks good.
It looks good.
Oh my god.
The more I see it, the more I appreciate the red.
Yeah,
You're
it's
right.
so
You're right.
I wish it was all of the red.
I know.
But like, I like the
So
black and
cool.
white, but the red, when it
I
comes up, you
know.
don't expect it, and it's just like, oh my gosh.
Yes. Oh, English.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Wait.
There's English.
So you're
lyrics.
telling me I don't have to look up the translation? I always do that.
All the lyric channels have just like.
I know.
Lyrics.com.
They're gone.
Oh my god.
No.
These two just attract me.
These two
Yeah.
pictures.
See, like, I can't even pick a definitive bias.
It's hard.
It's really hard.
Because each of them have such potential. It's really.
Yeah.
But I really like that he didn't have contacts in because
Oh, yeah.
although I love it when they have the contacts in because it's really unique,
Mhm.
seeing them with their natural eyes, it's
Yeah,
it's
I
Yeah.
prefer the natural eyes.
yeah for sure.
Oh my gosh, Can we take a moment of silence to appreciate Kai in the red?
Yes.
Because, I mean, Love Shot exists, and that's a thing. This enhances that. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Everyone say thank you SM, thank you Capital.
Thank you.
No.
I love
we've been dying over the individual pictures, but all of them put together,
So
just
powerful.
so powerful.
It's epic. Oh my
There's a
goodness.
reason these individuals were chosen to be
Yeah.
part of this group,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
this literally shows it.
Oh, I like that one a lot.
They're
That
all
one's
looking
really
really
cool.
cool.
They're
This one's
making a
really
statement.
cool.
Oh my goodness. I didn't see this one.
I
This
don't.
is
I haven't seen this
nice.
picture.
This is nice.
Okay, but once again, gotta just reinforce that their hair.
Stylist.
So good.
Thank you.
Thank you to the
Thank you,
stylist that worked on
stylist.
this album. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And the credits.
Credits. That's pretty.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
That's so cool. Yay.
That was
Okay.
really, really good. I don't want to look, guys.
I
I'm
already
scared.
see the
I'm
signature.
scared. Wait, I
Yeah,
don't even want to look at the signature.
It's
Okay.
10. Right? Yo, it says there. It's right there. I can tell.
This is so cute. That's a cute photo card.
Wait, this
These
one
all
is
are
so
so
cute.
fun.
Oh my
Wait,
gosh.
should we redo that?
Should we redo it? The name's right there.
I love that we're all like, oh, who is it? I don't want to look at it. Like, it's 10.
I'm turning red now.
Oh my gosh, wait, this is so cute. I love
I
reading
like
the back
that.
of the messages. Too bad I can't read Korean.
Yeah.
But one of the members, I know, someone was talking about it. One of the members wrote it in Romanized Hangul.
it was
Oh.
Baekhyun.
That's so cute. The photo cards
Yeah.
are really cute.
The photo cards to this album are so good. I'm so happy.
It's
oh,
nice quality.
they're really nice.
They're like, that picture's so high quality.
It's really cute.
That's a
too.
really nice
It's
photo
a
card.
really cute picture of 10. Bias record?
The whole
Everyone
group
else
is a
is
bias
bias